I'm going to show you how to change display language in DuckDuckGo. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options like the fire icon, tabs, and the three-dot button. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have even more options like zoom, passwords, downloads, and settings. Just go ahead and tap on settings, and once you're here, find private search over here and make sure you tap there, and at the bottom you can see the option of more search settings. Just go ahead and tap here and you would be led to the website of DuckDuckGo, and now you can see the option of display language right under region. Just go ahead and tap here and select the language that you would like. Let's say you want English. So now it has been changed to English. So if you want something else like Espanol, then you can see that it has been turned into Espanol. And this is how you change display language in DuckDuckGo.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.